Okay, I've just been shopping and I've got these two. These are wiper blades. Now, I've been looking for a long time to see if there's other alternatives apart from getting it from Bentley, but I can't find any. So I bit the bullet, went to Bentley, spent £101, yes, £101 on two of these wiper blades for the front. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how you have to replace them. Right, you have to use the key. You got to put the key in, turn it once, I think. Turn it once, infotainment should come on. Okay, setup, other functions, maintenance and service, that's where it is. And then wiper change. And then you see that happen. And that one came off easier. So it just lifts up. Now, I'm gonna try and lift it this way. And then it just comes off that way. Okay, so there's a wiper blade and I'm gonna try and... Okay, I don't know if you saw that. Maybe I'm making it more difficult and then push down. Oh, gonna need brute force. I'm gonna have to put this down because it's not clicked in properly. Let me put it down. Okay, so that is actually fully down because you can see it's right against there. Seems like it's just got a little gap there. I guess that's just reflection, but that's how it is. You need two hands to just get it done. Back inside, and then we just have to hit that. I did try to look around, see if there was any other aftermarket parts, such as like Bosch, if they make wiper blades for Bentley, but I don't know. And I couldn't find out any other company that makes wiper blades for these. So that's the reason why I had to go Bentley. I had no choice. Now, these wipers should last, I think, about 3 years. So the interesting thing is, normally wiper blades on a car, you have different sizes. One of them's longer than the other one, but on these, in fact, they're both the same size, which makes it a lot easier if, for example, you have just one dodgy wiper blade. So that's quite an interesting fact. So what I'm going to do for the fun of it, I'm going to probably try and put these old secondhand wiper blades on eBay and see if somebody buys them or not. Again, let me know if there's other wiper blades that you guys have found that are compatible with these Continental GTs, because I can't find any. Thanks for watching.